Hello, everybody. Protect the environment, protect life. What are the duties and responsibilities of a pollution control officer, especially a duly accredited pollution control officer? The duties and responsibilities of an accredited pollution control officer is by virtue of Dow 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation in Section 10 of this department order, it shows the duties and responsibilities of an accredited PCO. The accredited PCO shall perform the following duties and responsibilities. Number one, of course, is to ensure compliance with the requirements of major environmental laws. Whatever provisions in the major environmental laws, it is the duties or the duty and responsibility of the PCO. The PCO shall also identify activities and the effect of these activities during the operation of the establishment and shall recommend possible mitigating and control measures as part of the environmental management plan and contingency plan. Another duty of the pollution control officer is to attend to all permitting and registration requirements of the establishment. So there are corresponding permits, clearance, and certificates as prescribed by the major environmental laws. Like for Presidential Decree 1586, it is the requirement of the project proponent to secure environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage. Under RA 6969, the registration as hazardous waste generator or transporter or TSD. So the PCO shall secure this corresponding or relevant permits like for RA 8749 if they are operating air pollution source installation like genset, boiler, furnace, fuel storage tank, the PCO shall attend to the acquisition of permit to operate sa EMB regional office. Attend to all permitting and registration requirements of the establishment prior to the construction, installation, or operation of pollution sources and control facilities. And lastly, sa ating segment ngayon, ensure the proper performance, operation, and maintenance of environmental management facilities or systems of establishments such as wastewater treatment facilities, air pollution control devices, storage areas, segregation and management facilities for solid waste, and environmental monitoring devices. So yan lang po muna ang mga duties and responsibilities of an accredited PCOs. Sa susunod na video, pag-uusapan natin yung iba pang mga remaining duties and responsibilities of an accredited PCO per Section 10 of the DNR Administrative Order 2014-02 or the revised guidelines for pollution control officer accreditation. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for listening. I am Engineer Jeric Picasso in Protect the Environment, Protect Life.